So we've just arrived to the Ararat jail. We're about to do a tour. Now, normally you cannot take your dog on this tour, so don't bring your dogs, but they're being nice enough to let us in with Twyla as long as we hold her the whole time while we're in there. So let's go in and take a look at the Ararat jail.
J Ward, originally the Ararat County Jail, was an Australian prison located in Ararat, Victoria. Construction of the original building commenced in 1859 as a goldfields prison, being built of bluestone. In 1861, the jail was opened with a total of 21 prisoners incarcerated. In 1864, the jail housed 40 prisoners, and in 1870, the first execution was conducted at the jail. The second execution at the jail was held in 1883, and the third was in 1884, where each prisoner was hung for murder. In the aftermath of the Victorian gold rush, the jail was no longer required, and in 1886, the jail building was proclaimed as the J Ward, being part of the Ararat Lunatic Asylum, and becoming a psychiatric facility to house the criminally insane. J Ward officially closed in January of 1991, and a couple of years later, in 1993, it was reopened as a museum for the public, providing tours every day except on public holidays.
This is the haunted room. Right.
I think she's a little bit, she senses something.
Yeah. So these stairs are meant to be haunted as you go up.
She's really clingy.
Yeah. Twyla's freaking out. You can see where they've worn away the steps. So just in front of the jail, there's a park. Now this park has lots of trees, lots of places you can have a barbecue undercover, and also they got obviously the local swimming pool. They got competitions on today, but they do have a little cafe here you can sit out the front of and grab yourself a coffee or ice. Adam's actually there now getting us an ice cream, so we're going to have an ice cream down the park. And also they got these beautiful little lake and gardens. Look at this. How cute is this? Quite nice. So we're just going to take a stroll with Twyla and have an ice cream. That's it for another midweek episode, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. Definitely stay tuned this Sunday at 5 p.m. for our main episode. It is going to be epic. And if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe and tell your friends about us. Otherwise, we will see you on Sunday. See you guys.